Our name is derived from the old sailor's adage, red sky at morning, sailors take warning, red sky at night, sailors delight. New tools and business processes can often cause disruption and turbulence. Red Sky Solutions' rich industry experience and best practices knowledge help companies navigate through the turbulence into calm seas. Red Sky Solutions customizes Salesforce to drive productivity and collaboration in your business. As a Salesforce.com certified consulting partner, we've helped companies of all sizes implement, optimize, and integrate their Salesforce systems.